Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is boats and streams. So to understand this topic, we should know these four subtopics. So consider a river is flowing with V kilometer per hour and the boat is going in U kilometer per hour. So stream. Downstream means if the boat is going in the direction of the river flow. So for example, if boat is going in the along the direction of the river flow, then it is called downstream. And if upstream means if boat is going in opposite direction of the river, then it is called as upstream. So speed of boat or person in still water is U and speed of stream or current means here V. Speed of boat or person in downstream. Downstream means as we are going along the direction of the river flow, then the speed will be increased, that is U plus V. And speed of the boat or person in upstream means as we are going in opposite direction, then the speed will be reduced, that is U minus V. So U kilometer per hour and V kilometer per hour, U plus V kmph, U minus V kmph. So we should know these four formulas, these four subtopics to understand this boats and streams concept. So we'll see few examples to understand this in a better way. So here in this first question, it is given as Hemant can row upstream at 25 km per hour and downstream at 75 km per hour. Find his speed in still water and speed of current. So they have given upstream at 25 km per hour. So we know the formula U minus V is equal to 25 kmph and downstream at 75 km per hour. U plus V is equal to speed at downstream. Speed at upstream. Here speed at downstream. That is equal to U plus V. U plus V here it is given as 75 kmph and they are asking us to find U and speed of the current V. So take it as equation 1 and equation 2. Add these two equations. So U minus V is equal to 25. U plus V is equal to 75. Adding equation 1 plus 2. U plus U 2U, that V and minus V plus 0 is equal to 25 plus 75 100. So 2U is equal to 100. So U is equal to 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. So the speed of boat in still water U is equal to 50 km per hour. So from equation 1 we know U minus V is equal to 25 kmph. U is 50 km per hour minus V is equal to 25. V is equal to 50 minus 25. V is equal to 25 kmph. So V, that is the speed of current is 25 kmph and speed of boat in still water U is 50. Second question it is given as Nagendra covers 16 kilometers upstream and 64 kilometers downstream in 8 hours. Find speed of stream. So it is given in upstream. Speed of person in upstream is equal to, so here it is given distance, not speed. So we should convert distance into speed. In order to convert it, we know the formula for speed is distance by time. So the distance covered is 16 kilometers by time is 8 hours. So that is equal to 2 kmph. So similarly, speed of the person at downstream is equal to, here also they have given us distance. So we should convert into speed, that is equal to 64 by time is 8 hours, 8 kmph. We know that speed at upstream is equal to U minus V, that is equal to 2. This is equation 1, and speed at downstream is U plus V, that is equal to 8. Equation 2. adding 1 plus 2, that is equal to u minus v equal to 2, u plus v is equal to 8, 2u is equal to 10, u is equal to 5, and keep this equation in equation 1. U minus v is equal to 2, here u is 5, minus v is equal to 2, v is equal to 3. So they are asking us to find the speed of the stream, so they are only asking about v. So the speed at stream is v is equal to 3 kmph. So in this third question, it is given as in a stream running at 2 km per hour, a boat goes 6 km upstream and back again to the starting point in 33 minutes. Find speed of boat in still water. Here they are telling a boat goes 6 km upstream and back again to the starting point. Means the boat is covering upstream. When it is coming back, it is also covering a downstream of 6 kilometers. Okay, now the speed of the boat in upstream is equal to u minus v, that is equal to u we don't know, so we have to find u minus v. The speed of the stream is given as 2 km per hour, and the speed at downstream, as it is coming back, it is also covering downstream, so we should also consider downstream, u plus v, that is u and v means 2 km per hour, u minus 2 kmph and u plus 2 kmph. It is also given as the total time taken is 33 minutes. So time taken to go to upstream plus time taken to go to downstream is equal to 33 minutes. Here all these are in kilometer per hour and it is in minutes. So we should convert minutes into hours. In order to convert minutes into hours, we will divide it by 60. So this became hours. And time. Time means distance by speed at upstream plus distance by speed at downstream. Total distance covered is 6 kilometers. By speed at upstream is u minus 2 plus 6 by, now speed at downstream is u plus 2, that is equal to 33 by 60. Okay, take 6 common, 1 by u minus 2 plus 1 by u plus 2 is equal to 33 by 60. 6 into, take LCM, u minus 2 into u plus 2 is u minus 2 u plus 2 times plus u minus 2, that is equal to 33 by 60. And 6 into 2u by, we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is u square minus 4, that is equal to 33 by 60. 6 into 2u, that is 12u by u square minus 4 is equal to 33 by 60. 60 into 12, 720. U is equal to 33 u square minus 33 into 4. So all will cancel in 3 table. Okay, 720 u is equal to, take 33 as common and u square minus 4, 3 11s and 3 240 times, that is equal to 11 u square minus 44 is equal to 240, that is 240 u. 11 u square minus 240 u minus 44 is equal to 0. So we should find the factors for it. So 11 into minus 44. Okay, 44 11s, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 4 8, 484. We should find the factors for 484, and minus 242 into 2 is equal to minus 484. So minus 242 plus 2 is equal to minus 240. So we can write it as like 11 u square minus 242 u plus 2u minus 44 is equal to 0. That is equal to, take 11 u common, u minus 11 22s is 242 plus take 2 common, u minus 22 is equal to 0. So we got two equations, 11u plus 2 into u minus 22 is equal to 0. So we got two solutions, that is 11u plus 2 is equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2 by 11, and here u minus 22 is equal to 0, u is equal to plus 22. So we all know that the speed will always in positive, not in negative. So we should take positive one, that is equal to u is equal to 22 kmph. So the speed of boat in still water is 22 kmph. So here in order to find the factors, we can also use a formula like minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this way also we can find the factors. Okay. So I will discuss more problems on boats and streams in part 2 video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Aptitude Tricks channel. If you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box.